the quick video about BricksBuilder, how to do quick edits. So after you log in, you're going to get this familiar top bar here, but then you'll have the edit with Bricks here. Clicking on this will edit the page. Bricks also uses templates. For example, we got the top nav edit here that would edit this, and then the footer down here. Let me just click on this for now. It's going to load up, and then you'll be able to see the pay for editing. But over on the right here is the structure of the page. Here you can see that, for example, if we click here, we're actually clicking on this image block here. This is a block containing the image and this little icon box here. But if we click on this element here, it highlights here that rich text in which you can go in and just simply type whatever you need. If we wanted to edit, let's say this header, click here, and then over on the left here, you can change the heading and so forth. So typically the way you would edit is you would click on the element that you want to edit. For example, this, have a glance over at the right here as to what you're editing. And then up here on the left, you're typically going to see a box here where you can either edit the header or click here. You can edit this paragraph. You can also edit this by clicking directly on the page. So if I wanted to just highlight this and type in my own text here, it's going to update this as well as this over here. So it really doesn't matter what way you go about doing that. The upper right area, you're going to have this preview button here, which you can preview the page, what you've done. And this is before the page was saved. Depending on what you're doing, sometimes you'll need to save the page. You can save it here, then preview it, and then go into the actual front end of the website and preview it here live. Those three buttons up here that you preview, save, and the view button here on the front end. Lastly, to get back to the dashboard of WordPress, just click on this icon here, and that sends you straight back. So that's how you do edits inside BricksBuilder theme.